Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we've got a 2020 Subaru Outback. I don't know if a tree fell on it or what happened, but there's a lot of damage. We already pulled out some of it, so we'll just show you kind of what's going on now, and then we'll throw in the time lapses and whatnot. Just because we're so busy working on the truck, working on our BRZ, just a ton of stuff going around the shop. So as of right now, we can get closer to the damage, and we've got kind of damage all over this car. There's a dent here. I don't know if you can see it too well, pick it up on camera, but all of that stuff I think can be PDR'd. Then we have on our A-pillar here, we've got a lot of damage. All the stuff, we're gonna try to save it because the parts are expensive, so there's gonna be a ton of body work. You guys will see me pull out the dent puller again like you guys saw in the BRZ video. And up in here, there's another big dent. The quarter panel's all smashed up. Let me know in the comments if we should save this quarter panel or not. Actually, never mind. We can't even save it anymore because we cut it out. But no, I'm kidding. This thing, no way we're gonna fix this. Maybe some other people would try to fix it, but way too much work. So we already got the filler neck cut out of here. We just used a electric shear and just went around it so that way we don't break any of the tabs on it. There's no use to break if we have to replace it anyways. So we welded up a couple tabs here, and like you'll see in the time lapse, we welded a tab on this corner, welded a tab up here, and then we also put a, and we used the SkidSteer. We used the SkidSteer as well to kind of act like our frame rack or frame machine and pull up on it. And then we also put a hydraulic press. It's like a 10-ton car jack on the inside with plywood and everything, or not plywood, 2x4s and 4x4s. And we got it pushed out from the top. A few of those interior panels are gonna have to get taken out as well. But for the most part, all of our damage is right here. The main damage is right here in the quarter panel and roof. The roof is wrecked as well. Let me put these aside. The roof is destroyed, and we already got all the headliner, all the wiring. That was our hardest part. We got video of that as well. And we just couldn't get any better video or any better footage just because you can see in here too, everything's all taken apart. We just couldn't really get any better footage because we're working on so much stuff at once that we just kind of were moving as fast as we could on it so we could get this car done. This isn't our car, this is my brother's car. My other brother's car, because I work with my brother, but that's his car, and we want to get it done as fast as we can so that way he can use it as his family car. It's for his wife, so his wife's been mad at me because I wasn't fast enough on the cars. Alrighty guys, so We got a lot of these spot welds already drilled out. Me and my brother were working on this, not the other one that's with me usually. He's my older brother. But we got all this, the spot welds drilled out and the roof is ready to come off. We just went ahead and cut the actual skin off for now. We bought welding blankets, but they're not in yet. So we don't want to cut that front end where the seats, the dash, all that. We want to cover all that, make sure it's all clean and it's all ready. So that way whenever we do cut all that off and grind, metal shavings aren't getting in the seat, in the carpet, in the dash and whatnot. So for now, we're just gonna go ahead and pull the rest of this roof off. It's ready to come right off. The reason we cut the roof instead of getting it out nice with all the spot welds was because it's so much harder, especially on the other side where we don't want to damage the actual quarter or the, I guess you could call it the sail panel, because it sails all the way to the front. Up in here, it's so hard to fit that chisel and hammer it without damaging the side of, which in there, we're going to repaint that anyways, but we do keep damaging that edge. So we figured we might as well cut it all nice around, and then we'll come from the inside of the car and just hammer out just the spot welds. So, no, that didn't work how it was supposed to. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and take this off, finish cutting all this stuff out, and we'll set you guys up on a time lapse, or you'll just see bits and pieces here because my phone actually is almost out of storage from all the truck videos, all the other videos. We'll have to transfer all that, but for right now, we'll just get right back into work and get all this stuff taken care of.